Hello everyone, welcome back to Talk's Academic Word of the Week. Today we'll be going over the word justification. Justification. How many syllables do you think this word has? It has 5 syllables. Just, I, fi, K, shun. Justification. Now, where do you think the stress is in this word? The stress goes on the 4th syllable. Justification. Justification. Now that we've taken a look at the pronunciation, let's move on to understanding the meaning. Look at the words in yellow on your screen and try to figure out what is the meaning of justification. You can take a few seconds now and pause the video if you need more time. Justification means evidence or reasons for doing something. Is this the definition that you came up with? If not, take another look at the sentences before. Okay, now we're going to look at the same sentences again, but this time I want you to focus on the part of speech. So, try to identify if the word is being used as a noun, a verb, or an adverb. Again, you can take a few seconds if you need more time. As you can see, justification is the noun form. We know this from the tion ending. This is a helpful clue for you. The verb form is justified, and it's in the past tense. That's the ed ending. And lastly, the adverb is justifiably. Again, you can use the ending ly as a helpful clue for you. Okay, everyone. Now that we've gone over the pronunciation, meaning, and part of speech of justification, it's your turn to start practicing. You can start with the question on your screen. What justification should one have for interrupting another person, and why? You can post your answers on our social media page, and we look forward to seeing you next week for our next academic word. Bye, everyone.